What's up guy, Khalil here and welcome back to my channel. So I got a quick video for you guys today. I'm gonna show you how you can create a Clickbank account from restricted country. So I got a list of countries here. If you are from those countries and you are interested on promoting Clickbank product from and you are from those countries like Nigeria, India, Nepal, you know, you are from those countries but you are interested on promoting Clickbank product, sorry, but you don't have a Clickbank account, so stick to this video till to the end. I'm going to show you how you can create step by step Clickbank account from those countries. All right, but before that, you have to get a VPN installed on your computer. All right, I will put the link of this website in the description of this video. You are gonna install this VPN. Oh, they have 10 GB free that they are gonna give you when you install. So you just need this VPN to install to open your Clickbank account. After that, you don't need this one anymore. All right. So they have Mac version and Windows version. You can come here and download this software and install. Make this step by step. You install it. All right. After the installation, you have to get an email account, or whether it's a Gmail or Outlook, a brand new, or you can use your previous one as well. All right. And then after that, we come to Clickbank. I will put the link of all the website that I'm using in this video so that you can follow step by step and open your Clickbank account. All right. But before that, remember to subscribe to this channel as I come out almost every day with a video that talk about making money online, promoting Clickbank product, and how to make a passive income online from CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, and all those stuff. All right. So before we start, I already installed my VPN. I've already installed the one that I'm using. You install it's easy. After that, you log in. After you log in, you turn on the VPN. All right. So after you turn on the VPN, come to Clickbank account, then you click on sign up. Sign up. We are gonna sign up here, and so if this is your first time, you don't know what is Clickbank. Clickbank is the biggest affiliate marketplace over there. And what is affiliate marketing is promoting other people's product. Then you make a sale and you get some commission on that. All right. So here we are going to choose a country, United States. All right. Even though we are not living in the United States, let's choose United States. And after that, we put our real name here. All right. Let me type my name and type your real name. Yeah. After that, you type the phone number. So where are we going to get the phone number for US? All right. So we come to this site. I will put the link of all the website that I'm using in this video. Don't worry. You will go and then get all the informations over there step by step. All right. So you come here, you copy a phone number. You will get a different phone number from this one. All right. There is a bunch of addresses that you can get from here. Come here, you get the phone number, and we come to our website again. We paste this phone number, and we use the address email that we just created, or our previous email address that we use frequently, that you want to use for this project. All right. So let me, because this is the brand new that I just created for this project. You know. All right. So let me type. Osman. All right. So after that, let's type our, okay, that's the one. After that, let's type our password. So before typing your password, you have to follow this instruction that they put here. You have to type the password according to this one, or this instruction here. All right. Let me type my password. All right. So we have the password completed, and then let's accept those terms and conditions. Let's click OK, then scroll down till to the end. Scroll down till to the end. Then we accept those terms and conditions. After that, we join ClickBank. All right. So let's wait. My connection is a little bit slow. All right. You can see we already created the account here. So we got the account has been created, but what are we going to do now is to complete the profile, our profile. Okay. We come here, we come to profile, and then we complete our profile. All right. So to complete this profile, where are we going to get those informations? All right. Like we have the phone number, the street address, and all those ones. So let's come here and get all those informations that we need. All right. From street address and all those stuff here. So let's come here and we copy this street. This is the street address. Let me see. Where we can get the street address. I think this is this is the same address here. Yeah. Okay. Let us copy the street address here, and then let's come and paste it here. All right. And from which province that we are applying for this? Let's come here and then see it's from New York, right? This is New York. This address is from New York, I think. And let's choose here provinces New York, New York. All right. And the city, I think is the same again, New York. Let's type New York and the zip code. All right. Let's come and copy the zip code. I think this is the zip code here. Oh, we can find the zip code that they have here. We just scroll down. I think this is the zip code here. If I'm not mistaken, this is the zip code, right? Because they use the same in the address here. Let me see. Where is the address? Here's the address. This must be the zip code. All right. Let's copy this one and paste here. Copy and paste. All right. And we put our name. How would you like to be paid? We put our own name that we use. All right, for this project. You know. And where are we gonna get the tax ID? All right. So here that we come to this side again, we use this same tax ID. This tax ID. All right. We use, or you come, you scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. You can use this one. Yeah. I think it's the SSN that they need. This one. All right. So we copy this and then we come here and we paste it. All right. But you have to put this hyphen here before this. All right. So we are just promote product as an affiliate, and our revenue is from 0 to this. All right. After we put all those informations, then we validate, we save it. All right. Then our account, we save it and we wait. All right. Your profile has been updated successfully. As you see, our profile has been successfully updated. So we already have the account already created. All right. So we come here again. We go to account. All right. Then we have to create our account that we use to get access to the marketplace where we can see our product that we need to promote. All right. So we create an account, then we choose like affiliate product, right? And we choose the name that we choose the nickname that we want to use for this account. Okay. We say affiliate 9. This is already taken. Okay. Let me put a username for this one. All right. This is my username that I use for this, the nickname that I use for this one. All right. Let's sign up and see. All right. So it means that we have already we created the account successfully. All right. Let me reduce this one. So we have this one. You can create a bunch of accounts here for a lot of project that you want, or you can create for another person that you can also use. But this is the account that we created to get access to the marketplace, right? We click on this one and we come to the marketplace, I think. Right. So let's wait. It's loading my connection. Boom. You see, we are already in the marketplace, so our account has been successfully created. This is the brand new account that we can use to promote product. So if you are getting some value from this video, please don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to this channel, because I'm gonna show you everything that you need. So we are gonna proceed to the payment, okay, to link our payment, so that as soon as we get how can I say this, we make a sales on this account where we can get the payment. All right, so we come in here. Let's go to the marketplace first, and I'm gonna show you the product. We come here, we click on marketplace. I'm gonna show you the product, then we click on find product. All right, so this is a brand new account. If you are interested on promoting ClickBank product, all right, subscribe to this channel, because I'm gonna give you all the details that you need to promote ClickBank product. All right, these are the categories that you need. All those ones are products. All right, bunch of product here. Let's go to health and fitness section. You see, here's a we have bunch of product here that you can use, like, to promote and get commissions. All right, so if you are interested to know how to promote those products, smash the like button and subscribe to this channel. All right, because I'm gonna give you all the videos that will show you how to promote ClickBank product. So before that, let's go to the account setting and then come to the payment informations. Okay, we come here, we click on edit, then we put the threshold, the payment threshold. We want the payment threshold to be like maybe when we get 50 $25, then they pay us directly, or 100, like I use 100. Then you click on direct deposit. Here you have to get a Payoneer account. All right, you have to get a Payoneer account. And if you don't have a Payoneer account, subscribe to this channel. I'm gonna drop a video for that, and so that you will create your Payoneer account, even if you are not from US, and then you can get a US bank account that you are gonna use for this one, and link the how can I say, here you come here and you link your US bank account here. US bank account here, you link here. The US bank account that Payoneer is going to give you. You come here and you put those information here and you save. All right. So you start promoting product from ClickBank. As soon as you make a sale, all right, you will get paid directly to your Payoneer account. So please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and that's all for today. Peace out.